welcome back. Sorry for the long pause. I've been traveling and just trying to forget about the drop in crypto prices. I thought it would stabilize by that time, but unfortunately not. Anyway, I'm going to wait a little bit longer, and for now let me update you on the status of my mining facility. I remember in my first video about that place, I was sure that I would finish everything within a week. And so far it is almost a month now and I'm still working on it. I did use those pads to remove the echo from the area. I used double-sided tape to do that. Let me point out that it was not an ordinary double-sided tape. It's called Nano Magic tape. Well, I don't know, it's just the name. It is made of some sort of silicone or rubber, very sticky, and can be washed to bring back that sticky feature. It does not leave any traces when you remove it and sticks literally to everything. When I finished placing those tabs on the wall, I did notice that it really does remove echo. I don't know if it helps removing the noise, but since I already bought them, I had them, so I decided to use them. Tomorrow the guy comes to seal the window, install the extractor, and make the hole in the rest of the area for the turbine to move the fresh air in. Electricity wise, I would need to make a few more wall sockets so I can connect my mining equipment. Each socket is for 2, max 3 mining rigs or ASICs. It would actually work with 5 of them, but you always need to remember that you need to leave some spare room and not overload the power line. My idea for the cable management is to keep all the cables and cords near the ceiling so they won't be on the floor, and to do that I would need to drill the special little hangers which will hold the canal. I think it's going to be aluminium, and I will place all of the cables on it, and basically it's much better. I haven't done it before, so this is going to be my first time, but I'm sure it's easy and not really difficult to do. You just need to have a ladder and the rest of the material. You're probably wondering how come it's been so long and I haven't done anything there. Let me be honest with you guys, it is the fault of people in Switzerland. They have a tendency to make an appointment a few weeks ahead, so their schedule won't be too busy. I know it depends on the company and their staff, but so far the majority are like that. Oh, by the way, today I've heard about El Salvador, the country of beautiful places to surf and to shoot some FPV drone footage, is bringing Bitcoin law. The majority of the votes in Congress are supporting it. So what it means is that, for example, nearby Switzerland, French regions are obliged to accept Swiss francs because it's the currency of their neighbor. So now in El Salvador it is legal to accept Bitcoin. Apart from US dollar, when you now go to a pizza place, you're allowed to pay in Bitcoin. But I wouldn't do that because the price of Bitcoin is pretty low right now, and I would wait until it gets a bit more higher. Even though that El Salvador news pushed the Bitcoin towards 35k, I hope so. All of you out there who think that mining is very bad for the environment and for the nature, wait, don't accuse El Salvador's president, since what he said is he hasn't thought of Bitcoin mining but was favorably disposed towards the renewable energy. So he actually goes forward just because it is completely possible to do crypto mining with renewable energy. And I guess he needs to attract potential investors who already turned their heads and thinking of interesting business idea in El Salvador. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. It was just a quick update on my mining facility, and so far I think I'm pretty close to finally finishing it this week. I'll do another video tomorrow. Hopefully everything goes as planned. But for now, take care and enjoy mining. Bye bye.